Oh, wow.
Right, good morning. Good morning. Ladies and gentlemen, today was supposed to be kind of different to how it's looking now. We're supposed to do a driveway clean this morning, however, the time is 8:45 and I got a message yesterday saying that they need to postpone. Completely fine. I only kind of charge a cancellation, or I take a deposit anyway of anything over 500 quid, so this has just been rescheduled. Not the end of the world, but we're going to make use of the time we've got. So I'm going to head out now and we're going to try and win a job today. Obviously I might not win it today in today's video, however I can get back to you on a following date. So we're going to go to a few commercial buildings, we're going to knock a few doors, and basically I'm going to film it, and I've got my little microphone on, as you can see here. So you're going to be able to hear the audio from quite a distance, so I'm going to knock on their door and, you know, just give out my services. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the camera down now. I've scouted a few areas, I've put a few areas in my notes, which I want to go try and target, as I've seen a bit of build up and whatever else. So yeah, we're going to go there, knock on the doors, speak to them and see where it goes. All right, I'll catch up with you in just a moment. Right then folks, so as you can see, I'm just at my local Premier Inn. They've got foliage all in the gutters along here, so I'm going to walk in there now, try and speak to their general manager. I'm nervous! And have a bit of a chat and see if they'd let me clean out their gutters. They're probably going to ask for it all in an email form, or, you know, give us a call or something like that in the future, but yeah, anyway, let's see how it goes. So hopefully you can still hear me. Just going to walk in, as you can see. Oh, you can't really see.
I see you, baby.
Because you're over there. But there's all like heavy foliage and stuff.
So you can probably imagine with these little microphones, there's probably a radius in the Bluetooth. Yeah, well, I learnt that from this very clip. Luckily I watched it back after doing this one, otherwise I probably would have done most of them from quite a distance from the van, meaning that you wouldn't have heard anything. However, from this one, they said that they'll be in touch. However, they've got their own company. The lady, the actual general manager of the office, said that she'd be in touch about her own home to get her gutters cleared out. So that's kind of a win. However, it's not what we're looking forward to in today's video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit out the rest of this clip, and then we'll just move on to the next house.
Another one.
Right then folks, we're going to try this one. Hi mate, morning. Sorry, my girlfriend lives behind you at the back, and I saw the solar panels and the gutters at the back are quite full. I just thought I'd just pop round to see if I could help you at all.
Sorry.
Just clearing out the gutters and cleaning the solar panels off.
Yeah.
It worked!
But yeah, obviously if you want to
It
help.
was done, but it came
Yeah,
back again.
that's the thing, isn't it? Have you got the mesh around the solar panels? No. Well, that can sometimes be an issue, obviously, because the pigeons just drop things down, don't they? And it gets a bit of a nightmare, and they live under there. But yeah, I don't mind taking a look for you, and obviously to kind of work out why that keeps happening. And if it does, obviously we can try and like put something in the gutters to stop it overflowing and things. And all the droplets that get inside, obviously it mixes with water and it grows.
A few moments later.
I just saw them out the window the other day, and I thought, oh, I'll give them a knock round just to see if I could help them out at all.
If
but
you could have a look.
yeah, do you want me to have a look now, or do you not want to put it out? Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Yeah, no worries.
We've had illness everywhere. It's a bit of dog muck.
Yeah, no worries.
So be careful where you're.
Yeah, is it all right just to go around the back?
It's
and
that
just
side, yeah.
that side? Okay, yeah, cool. Cool, I'll just head back, send some pictures through, and then we'll kind of go from there, if that's all right. Cool, all right, thank you. Right, so this might be one secured. You might not be able to hear me anymore. I'm getting a bit too far away. Right then, folks, I don't know if you can hear me, but they might be the worst gutters in terms of like foliage I've ever seen. I'm back in the van. But what I'll do is I'll stick a picture for you on screen. I think that's probably a job secured. I work quite closely with a solar panel company, so they install, maintain and kind of look after solar panels. We've got a few jobs coming up together.
I'm seeking people who want to make friends.
Because he applies like the bird mesh around the solar panels to stop like things like that happening. So yeah, that will probably be a job for that. Obviously I can try and upsell a roof, but the back hasn't really got any moss in it at all or anything like that. I think it's just the pigeons. So I'd speak to the company and kind of put mesh around the solar panels and spikes at the ridge tiles on the roof, and then obviously I'd clear out all the gutters, which would be a hell of a mission because they've got like a conservatory as well. But yeah, like I say, you've probably seen the pictures by now, but yeah, they are absolutely brimmed.
It's gonna be big.
Right then folks, we've got some more heavy foliage in the gutters here. I'm going to try and knock it. Might go well, might not, but as you know the kind of percentage rate of you actually getting these jobs, door knocking, you know, just trying to sell them by words, quite difficult. However, you know, you're trying to do something, at least no matter what, try and give them the business card, because they'll remember, oh, he knocked, he didn't just drop it through my letterbox. and they'll try and, you know, keep hold of it. It might stay by the door, it might go in the bin, you never know. But, you know, it's always worth a try. These have got quite a few blockages here, there and everywhere, so it should be a sell. However, obviously sometimes people are just adamant it's a no. So, yeah, anyway, let's see how it goes. Oh, hi there. Sorry, I was just about to knock. Just thought I'd give you a business card. I just your gutters are quite full. Obviously, it's completely up to you. I can offer you a quote or anything like that, but if you want to give us a call, it's completely up to you. Yeah, no worries. I thought I'd just see if I could help you out. Cool, all right, thank you. Cheers, bye. Yeah, see, that was a bit of a difficult conversation. She kind of opened the door as I was about to knock, so it was a bit weird. Anyway, you never know. I might get a phone call in the next half an hour telling me, oh, you just knocked around my house. I actually would like a quote. I know exactly what I charge for that anyway. 4 sides, you know, pretty standard. Sorry, it's got a bit later on now. Just took the mark back on. Actually, I never took it off, it's just been on the whole time. However, my container is here. As you can see, I've now been blocked out by this big old container that's next to me. For some reason, I don't know why they didn't take mine out and stick this one, you know, there, and my one at the end. But yeah, anyway, this is my container. Obviously, I've got the scaffolding. It has to stay outside because it can't really go in there because it's only a 10-foot one. And this is all rubbish. So this is all like temporary downpipes, sandbags, all sorts. That's all rubbish. My tarpaulin, as you can see, it's all just a bit of a mess. Up there, I don't know why, but when I first started cleaning roofs, I collected Viacide. Got a big IBC that I used to use for window cleaning, double pair of ladders here. So yeah, it's just all a bit of a mess. Now, the reason why I've brought you here is because I think soon enough we will be asked to clean all of this. So yeah, it's quite a big area. I'd imagine it's probably 10 metres per RSJ, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60 metres by God knows how many distances, maybe 10, 20, 30. 60 by 30 is 6 of 18, 180, 1,800 square metres, I think. Might be wrong, completely wrong there, but yeah, so this is like an old farm barn. This should be the loading bay, but obviously now it's got my container and other containers in it. This is a bike container. But yeah, I think this might be a cool job. The only trouble is I know that the water supply has to come out here, which it goes out there into another barn, all the way up to the top, which is like probably about 100 metres. So it'd be a bit difficult unless I park the van like halfway and then pull my high pressure hose out halfway as well. Might be a bit difficult, but I think this might be quite an interesting job. I'm going to have a bit of a tidy up now of my container, so I'm sorry the video's been a bit cut short. If I've got time, I might go and knock a few more doors. I have now booked in 2 jobs from the door knocks we did this morning. I think I did about 10. Did 3 commercial and a few houses. I only filmed a few because I've only got 2 batteries of GoPro, and because I'm now filming in 4K, obviously the batteries just get rinsed, so I need to order a couple of those. Coming up, I've got roof clean, driveway this week, and a few gutters. Next week I've got 2 roof cleans. Week after that I've got a roof clean and a driveway, and then we're kind of back into like the busy stage. So yeah, it's gonna pick up very soon. These videos will get a bit more entertaining for you all, because I mean today I was going to film like a huge block paving transformation. However, it just got postponed. But anyway, yeah, if I got a bit of time, I will do a few more door knocks and you can learn a bit from that. All right, see you soon.
So, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see on the screen, this is a recent thumbnail between me on the left-hand side and Matt from Onyx on the right-hand side. I just wanted to throw this in at the end of the video because if you're interested in coming on the podcast and joining me for a bit of a chat, the reason why I do this, let me start there actually, is because how can I kind of say that? It's like a timestamp in your life and business where you look back in 2 years' time and be like, oh, during this chat at this time, I was here in my business, and now this far on, I'm here. You can see like the actual growth. So I'm trying to get on different people quite often. We're trying to do a guest a week. They come out on Thursdays at 8 a.m. On YouTube and on Spotify. So if you are interested, do feel free to get in touch via Instagram, Discord, call me, text me, whatever you want to do. And obviously I can call you back, have a bit of a chit chat with you, and see how we go from there. Anyway, folks, thank you all for watching, and I'll speak to you all very soon.